Alright guys, so today we're going to be asking the question, what type of paint job can you get from a central pneumatic paint gun from Harbor Freight? So here's the gun. Pretty much like a Husky gun. We'll see what comes in it and we'll see what kind of job it does, but I'm guessing it's going to do pretty decent.
Shit's kind of fucked.
That's what Phil Swift told me.
Who?
Phil Swift.
Who the fuck is that?
He's the guy on the Flex Seal commercial. He's like, I sawed my boat in half.
That stupid fuck.
Yeah. Get the wheels done. Finishing up this front one. She's pretty much done. We're having a wicked hard time paint matching this thing. Navy. This is what it's supposed to look like. Things like navy. Oof, body work is a ton of work. Get the air gun here. I'm gonna pull this thing out. All right, here we are at Home Depot. Buying the place out of the primer. You're right. Straws don't come out. Oh. We'll just bed line them in place. Dude, the Raptor liner's not bad. I like it. I can see why they were like the fucking top selling product. And so today we're gonna sand this mobile maintenance shit off here, get the fresh full first coat on, then sand down the whole first coat, and then apply the second coat and see what it looks like. So next thing, we're gonna blow it all down, then wash it all off with mineral spirits and paint thinner. And yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna grab the paint gun here. Here we have our cup. Gonna fill this up with about, I think we're gonna go with about 16 ounces. Actually, no, we're gonna go with 12. So that's about what that is right there. We're gonna get our paint thinner. You're gonna need 0.6 ounces measured out of paint thinner mixed into that paint to fill into your gun to get a nice even spray. It's in a more central location now, so we have more access to paint it without getting overspray anywhere. Alright guys, just about got, I don't know, 70% of this thing done. Definitely getting there.